Welcome back to my class. So we finished the 30 consonants and we also finished the 4 vowels. Now today we will learn a subjoint. So subjoint, what is subjoint? If there is a consonant here, this is a consonant, and if something is added under the consonant, it is called subjoint. We are not talking about the vowels. Apart from vowels, if something is added to a consonant underneath it, that part is called subjoint. So for subjoints, three subjoints. Three subjoints. Today we will do subjoint yatak. Yatak. Subjoint yatak. We do yatak today. And so for example, this is ka. Now I'm writing the yatak part. So ka, yatak. This is the yatak part. Ka, yatak, kya. Ka, yatak, kya. Ka, yatak, kya. Ka, yatak, kya. Okay, so if I add a vowel here, ka, yatak should be kya. Kya, shabju, kyu. Ka, yatak, kya, kya shabju, kyu. Vowel shabju. Ka, yatak, kya, kya shabju, kyu. So, how do we spell it? So, if there is a vowel on top of the consonant, we won't pronounce the vowels first. We will start from the consonant. Ka, yatak, kya. Kya, dingpo, ke. Ka, yatak, kya. Ka, yatak, kya, kya, shabju, kyu. Kyu. Ka, yatak, kya, kya, dingpo, ke. Ka, we will leave the vowels first. We will start from consonant. Ka, yatak, kya, kya, naru, kyo. ka, yata, kya, kya, naru, kyo. If there is any vowel on top of consonant, we will add it after we come to here. Ka, yata, kya, kya, naru, kyo. Ka, yata, kya, kya, dengbo, ke. This is a fixed rule with any consonant, with any subjoint. Ka, yata, kya. So if ka yatak, if ka yatak is read as kya, then ka yatak should be read as kya. The difference is kya, 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 kya. Ka yatak kya, kya subju kyu, kyu, kyu. Ka yatak kya, kya kiku, ki, ki. A dog or dogs, ki. Ka yata kya, kya kiku, ki. So, ka yatak kya, ka yatak kya, ga yatak gya. The difference is kya, kya, gya, kya, kya, gya, gya. So, ga yata gya, gya shabchu gyu. Ga yata gya, gya shabchu gyu. So far it's pretty logical. If kayata is to be read as kya, then kayata should be read as kya, and gayata should be gya. Now we have then ta yatak is read as cha. Pa yatak cha, pa yatak cha, pa yatak cha, cha, pa yata cha. And in some Himalayan region, pa yata is read as pya, pa yata pya. But these days in Tibetan we read it as pa yata cha, cha, pa yata cha. Then the pa yata cha, cha sabchu chu, pa yata cha, cha sabchu chu. Pa yatak, pa yatak, pa yatak cha, pa yatak cha. Pa yatak cha, cha gigu chi. Pa yatak cha, cha gigu chi. Pa yatak cha, cha shabju chu. Pa yatak cha, cha gigu chi. Pa yatak cha, cha shabju chu. Bayata. Bayata is read as ja. Bayata ja. Bayata ja. Bayata ja. Ja dimpo je. Bayatak ja. Bayatak ja. Ja dimpo je. Pa pa pa. Bayata ja. Mayata. Mayata nya. Mayata nya. Mayata nya. Mayata nya. Nya naro nyo. Mayata nya. Mayata nya. Nya naro nyo. So from here to here is kind of logical. If kayata is kya, then naturally kayata is kya. Gayata, in that same way, gayata is gya. But payata, cha. So from here to here, you have to get used to it. You have to learn it by heart. So listening to it again and again will help you remember how to read this consonant with the subjoined yatak. So so we are finished with the 30 consonants. We are also finished with the vowels. Now we are doing subjoints. Subjoints. So if you look at any text, you will see three letters and a vowel stacked one above another. Chik, ni, sum, shi. That's the maximum. You won't see 5 letters stacked one above another. You will never see this. This is the maximum maximum amounts of letters stacked one above another. So so let's say this is consonant. We are done with it. Subjoint. Now we are doing yatak. This is subjoint. We are doing this. And this is the vowel shabju. And one more we have to add. That we will do later on. So vertically there will be 4 letters and 1 vowel. The vowel can be on top of the consonant or it can be below the subjoint. So we are vertically doing what the third one. 1, 2, 3. The third one we are doing now. And so today, ka yata kya, kha yata kya, ga yata kya. But you have to get used to saying pa yata cha, pa yata cha, ba yata ja, ma yata nya. You have to get used to listening to it. So while you work, you turn on your mobile and listen to it several times while you are working, and you will get used to saying pa yata cha, pa yata cha, ba yata ja, ma yata nya. I hope you enjoyed the class, and we will see again tomorrow. Have a good day.